Hey yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the World Wide Wonder Web? My name's Pursuit. Welcome to today's episode of Pursuit O Happy, where today I'm bringing you guys another Free Thinker Friday. Today's subject being getting in shape. It's kind of not that easy to notice because I used to not show more than my arms, but I've taken the past year to really tone up and learn how to take care of my body after not for my entire life. Let me tell you, doing so has completely changed my life. So now that I feel like I got a system going, I feel like I've learned a decent amount. I want to lay out in a simple manner how to do that yourself, because I'm not a fitness guy. I'm not a guru. I'm not any of these things. I just started working out to get into shape. I'm not going for a bodybuilding competition. And what I learned and what I've done has worked. So I figured we got our little Rob Zombie. We'll give her a rip, and I'll go through, give you guys my little step-by-step tutorial on how to maybe start turning your life around. Maybe start shedding some pounds. Maybe getting some extra definition in that chest, right? Anyways, got to get the Free Thinker Friday. Got to get the free thinking going. So, cheers, ladies and gentlemen. I'm such an unattractive bong hitter. Now we got our first go of round. Ooh, damn! I haven't smoked bud a few days. Fuck, kind of rocked my ass. Anyways, off to the tips. Step number 1. Decide what you want to do. There's a lot of different ways you can work out. There's a lot of different types of exercises. There's a lot of different types of machines. And if you go into it without having a somewhat refined idea of what you want to do, you won't make any progress. What I mean by this is, okay, are you looking to tone up, which means build a little bit more muscle, lose a little bit more fat, so do a little bit of both? Are you looking to just lose fat? Are you looking to just build muscle? You don't really care about the fat. It'll go away kind of progressively. You want to prioritize getting bigger. To choose your goal, because the way you work out and the way you eat and all these other things will change depending on what you want to do. A guy from going big, getting small, or versus going small or coming small, going big, will be completely different. Diet, exercise, and stuff like that. Next thing is you need to learn about diet, macronutrients. It's not that complicated. You don't need to learn about all of them. You need to learn about basically just fucking eating protein and carbohydrates. You want to make sure that if you're trying to build muscle, if that's on your... So I'm going to go based on what I did, which my thing was to tone out while prioritizing building muscle. Find out what works for you, and it's going to take some experimenting with working out and what you need to eat, but you need to learn about what your caloric needs are. And there are many calculators on the internet. I'll put the one that I use in the description. So go check that shit. And you need to learn how much protein you need to be energized to work out again, to recover properly. It's a lot of trial and error, but also just learning about it. So just go watch a few YouTube videos on nutrition, stuff like that. I'm not educated on that. Basically, just eat protein if you're trying to build muscle. Don't eat a lot of other... I don't know about the getting small shit. I've just been... Step number 3. You need to develop a good routine. Now, it's important not to overwork your muscles. And so by getting in a set routine, especially something that's been set up by someone who knows what they're doing, it can help you grow properly. Matter of fact, I'm going to put up a screenshot of the routine that I've been using. Actually, I'll put it over here. Hold on. Yeah, here. It was given to me by a physical trainer friend of mine, but it was given to me a year and a half ago, which was when I started working out. And when I started working out, I was just starting to work out. So a professional fucking routine didn't work for me. I actually only just started using this routine completely accurately about a month ago. Let me tell you, the difference is crazy. I'm going to put up the routine and I'm going to explain how you can use it. I'm going to run through everything, read out loud, because I do have some abbreviations. For the, it's a little scripture hidden notebook. For push 1, you got bench press, 4-4, dumbbell incline press, 3-8, seated military press, 310, dips, 210. Now I also substitute these for tricep extensions of 310. And then the death machine, that's what we call the oblique cruncher. Do some ab workouts, 310. Push 2, which is dumbbell bench press, 4-8, incline machine press, 310, dumbbell neutral grip, shoulder press, 310, skull crushers, 310, leg raises, 312, pull 1, pull-ups, 3-6, single arm row, 310. Face pulls, 312. Seated dumbbell curl, 410. Cable crunches, 312. Pull 2. Bar row, 3-8. Unilateral lat pull downs, 310. Dumbbell rear delt flies, 310. Chin ups, 310. Cable crunches, 312. And then finally for your legs and core day, barbell squat, 3-4. Quad extensions, 310. Bulgarian squat, 3-8. Hamstring curl, 310. Calf raises, 315. This is, like I said, my personal trainer buddies' routine. Not for normal beginner people. What you can do is you can look up what the exercise is. Look up what muscle does a unilateral lat pull down work, right? It'll say, oh, it works your lats. I don't have a pull down machine. I don't have a cable machine, or I'm not strong enough to use whatever. What are some other exercises that are good for working lats with barbell or dumbbell, like whatever you have? And so barbell rows. Okay. Or, dumbbell rows. You can do those, or you can do reverse flies. And then you just put that in instead of the exercise that's in that routine. And then you do these little adjustments for whatever equipment you have access to. Because when I started working out, I didn't have access to cables. I only had free weights. That's all I had. So I had to find substitutes for all these routines. And so I was like, oh, okay, learning all these new different ways and shit to work out and what I liked and what I enjoyed and what felt good. And then eventually I got a year and a few months into it, and I was like, oh, I'll actually try the routine now. And increasing the protein intake, it went a little crazy. The fourth and most important step is persistence. The persistence is key, okay? Your body works well on persistence. Your body will exponentially get better at doing shit if you're persistent with it. You need to make sure, you learn about how long you should be working out for. You don't want to work out too much. You want to be efficient with your workouts. That's another thing I would look into learning about. You want to make sure that you're persistently going to the gym. Set a good schedule. Me and my gym partner, we go Tuesday, Thursday, Sundays. Works pretty damn well for us. So, to recap, set yourself a goal. Picture what you're trying to do. That's 1. 2, learn what you need to have for caloric intake needs and what your protein needs should be. Pay more attention to what you're eating. It doesn't necessarily mean eating healthy. It means eating not like shit. That's the biggest misconception with dieting and like eating according to some kind of plan. It's not like, oh, I have to eat salads all day. It's like, oh no, I can't eat like a fucking party-sized bag of Doritos. It's like, bruh, it's not that hard. Chicken and rice, baby. There are a lot of high-protein recipes out there too that are really good. Like I make high-protein frozen burritos that fucking, pop them bitches in an air fryer. Oh, white people be like, let me tell you about my air fryer. Number 3, set a routine. Like I said, you feel free to use mine. I do not recommend it if you're just beginning. You can use it and start adapting in with whatever, start looking at what muscle groups the exercises that I gave you work, and then what other exercises you can do with the materials you have to work that muscle. Make sure you look up how to do the exercise properly so you don't hurt yourself and you have a good idea. And you have to feel about for the weight. Also, you want to make sure you learn how to progressively increase the amount that you're lifting. Overload yourself to make sure that you're increasing your actual lifts. Because if you don't ever actually change the amount that you lift, you're not going to do anything different. And number 4, persistence. Get in the gym, stay in there. Get a gym buddy, get him to get on your ass. Be like, hey, keep my ass in the gym. Let's get fucking buff. Let's get built. Let's get some beach bods. If you're going to college, that's what, like I'm at school right now, right? I have a rec center. It has every fucking machine you could ever imagine. Take advantage of that shit, dude. If you're here, you're paying for it. Get it done, bro. That's all I got for you guys today. I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around and watching this, and I hope you guys can get started on your getting in shape journey, getting healthy, feeling life, living life, being more nimble and fluid. But I appreciate y'all stopping in and watching. If you like this video, leave a like and like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Community's been growing a lot recently, a lot more views, a lot more likes, a lot more subscribers, and I really appreciate it, guys. These videos don't ever do too crazy, but the people who watch these videos, they're the loyal ones. So, if if you guys sticking around, those loyal guys, make sure you leave a comment, say what's up. I love responding. I love talking to you guys. You guys get the Dave Shaka, bro. You guys get the out of pursuit message. So just letting y'all know I appreciate you. You know, the channel's going crazy. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. We're at like 1,760. Like, it's fucking insane, guys. Especially since I got back in it. So I really appreciate all the support. Even all the nice comments I've gotten so far. I get a few crackhead ones too. Comes with the territory. But anyways, I don't remember if I had an outro. What the fuck just happened? Hello? God?